Bonjour! Bonjour les amis! How are you today? Comment ça va? Moi, je m'appelle Madame Tweedy. Ça va très très bien aujourd'hui. Il fait très beau soleil, beautiful sunshine, soleil, and I hope you're doing well. I am so happy that you decided to come to French class with me and our friend Ananas. So if you'd like Ananas to join us, just say Bonjour Ananas. Can you say that again? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. And here is Ananas. Ananas is a friend of our French class. She's a little bit shy. Are you shy about learning French words? Don't be. French is a lot of fun. What's that, Ananas? Oh, I think she's saying that we have another friend today. Wow, another friend? Do you know the French word for friend? It's ami. And who's this friend, Ananas? Oh, this is a word you already know from the last lesson. Can you say chat? Bonjour, chat. Here she comes. Oh, this is Chat, our friend Chat. Bonjour. And we learned her name, Chat, in the hours in the 1.0 series. So welcome, my friends. This is French with Ananas. And today is lesson 2.1, the E sound. Leçon 2.1, son E. So we're going to start by choosing a color pen so we can use as a pointer. Can you repeat all the colors with me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Well, since our friend Sha has a flower in her hair that's the color of orange, let's go with orange aujourd'hui. Orange is going to be our color. So Sha is going to sit beside us and enjoy the lesson. So here we go, French with Ananas. So the E sound, E is another vowel. So last time we learned the A sound, this time it's the E sound. And this letter is actually called E, and it makes the same sound. Sound E. Can you repeat that at your house? E. So let's see, what is our first word today? Oh, what do you think? Qu'est-ce que tu penses? Wow. Oh, this looks delicious. The French word for these cherries is cerise. Can you repeat after me? Cerise. Now remember, friends, the best way to learn French sounds is to say them out loud. So if you're watching from home or school or the park or the pool, make sure you try and repeat those out loud if you can. Cerise. Now the S at the end is quiet. There are a lot of words in the French language that the last letter is very silent. It doesn't say anything, and I'm going to remind you when that happens. And the next thing we're going to do is clap out the syllables. Now the syllable is something that you hear when you say the word. And the French word for syllables is syllabe. Syllabe. So let's see if we can find out how many, combien, how many syllables in this word. Cerise. Can you say that? Cerise. Let's try it again. Cerise. That's deux syllabes. Cerise. There we go. And when you look at this word, my friends, can you find the E sound? I'm going to give you a little clue. It is a letter in the color rouge, just like the cherries. Rouge is red. And if you pointed to this letter, you are correct. That is the E sound. E. Let's say the word one more time. Cerise. Cerise. Yay! That wasn't so scary, was it? No, it wasn't. Let's move on. Let's see what our next word is. Oh, can you figure that out? Do you know what that animal is? Yes, you're correct. It is a horse. In French, it's called un Cheval. Cheval. Let's clap the syllables together. Combien de syllabes? Cheval. Cheval. Deux. Cheval. If you had said two, you are correct. Cheval. Can you find the E sound in cheval? Oui, bravo. That is the E sound. Cheval. Cheval. Bravo. You're doing a great job. Let's move on in our pictures. Let's see if you... Oh, what is this? What do you think it is? Should we see a little bit more? Oh, looks like something on a clothesline. This is called an chemise. 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 Let's see if we can clap that one. Chemise. Yay! Deux syllabes. Chemise. Good job. That's great. You're doing a wonderful job. Chemise. Can you find the E sound in this word? Correct. That is the E sound. Chemise. Let's say it again a little faster. Chemise. Bravo, mes amis. Yay! Let's keep moving on. Let's see what our next picture is going to be. Oh, the arrow is pointing to this girl's hair. She has beautiful red hair. Cheveux. That is the French word for hair. Cheveux. Let's see if we can clap the sounds. How many syllables? Cheveux. Cheveux. Deux. If you said two, you're correct. Cheveux. Cheveux. Good job. Can you find the E sound in cheveux? There it is. You are correct. Cheveux. Now I know you see an X at the end, but these letters are silent at the end. This E-U-X makes E. So cheveux. You did a great job. Let's move along, see what our next picture is. Oh, do you know what that is? Wow. Oh, it's a Stuffy. Wow, it looks like he's having a nap. And a Stuffy in French is called peluche. Une peluche. Let's see if we can clap the syllables. Peluche. Peluche. Deux syllabes. Peluche. You are correct. Can you find the E sound in this word? You guessed it. Bravo, les amis. That is the E sound. Peluche. 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 Bravo, les amis. You're doing a fantastic job. Good job. Let's see what we have on our next slide. Oh, look at this. That's a question. It's a question for me. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? There's the French word for sac, for bag is sac, or sac. So the question asks me, what's inside mon sac? Let me see if I have it. Oui, j'ai mon sac. J'ai mon sac. Mon sac. Sac. Yay! Let's see what's inside dans le sac. You want to see also? Oh, look, who else wants to see what's in the sac? Chat wants to look at what's in the sac. Should we look? On va regarder dans le sac. Inside, dans le sac. On va regarder, Ananas, dans le sac. Okay. A little bit heavy, un petit peu pesant. All right, let's see what's inside. I'm gonna reach all the way inside and see what I can pick out. Oh, quoi? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, wow! Wow, Ananas! This is a whole bowl. Des cerises! Oh, des cerises! You know what? It is just about Madame's break time. I'm going to have a snack, my collation, and I'm going to have des cerises. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was so nice to see you. We'll see you in the next lesson. Bonne journée. That means have a good day. Bonne journée.